Try this easy to make recipe using chicken breasts and grated Gouda cheese. You only need these ingredients: chicken breasts, eggs, tomato, green vegetable, flour, grated Gouda cheese, spices of choice, salt to taste, and butter. Check the description below for the measurements. We'll start our recipe by dicing the chicken breasts. In a pan, add butter in medium heat. Then add the chicken in the pan and bake until it turns golden brown. If you prefer beef, you can use it as a substitute. This is a low-budget, easy-to-make and delicious recipe. It is a perfect option for lunch or dinner. You're gonna love it. Now, in a bowl, add 4 eggs. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching this from so that I can say thank you for being a part of the Afropean Kitchen's journey. Add salt to taste, flour, and spices of your choice. I am using black pepper, curry, and thyme. Add some green vegetables of your choice. I use my self-grown spinach. Mix well until smooth. If you are watching the video and you are loving the recipe, please like the video and share it with your friends. Now pour the beaten eggs mixture on the baked chicken. Spread it equally with a fork. Slice the tomato and put the slices on top. Add the grated Gouda cheese. Cover the pan with the lid and leave it to cook on a minimum heat for 15 minutes. The yummy recipe is ready for you to serve and eat. Look at how delicious it is. I really hope you liked it and will try it too. I can't wait for your feedback. Thank you for watching the video. Please help us to grow by pressing the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. See you next time for another delicious recipe.